Today we are here at Roly's Autos to check out the prices of affordable foreign used cars for you to buy. This car is going for 11.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This car is going for 16.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. And it's going for 24.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Go to the comment section now and tell me the type and price of car you are looking for, and I will make a video about it just for you. And it's going for 28.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Wait, don't make payment for any of these cars until you have done your physical inspection and test drive.
My name is Roland. Welcome to Roly's Global Ventures. You can reach me on 090-1996-4974.
This is a foreign used Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 2017 model. This is the engine, 4-plugs engine. The battery is durable. This is the luxury interior of this car. The steering, the dashboard, reverse camera, sound system, factory fitted AC, mouse, back AC vents. You see, this car is screaming luxury. The interior alone will motivate you to buy it. It has a double panoramic roof. 2017 model. It has a reverse camera and it's going for 49 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is Mercedes-Benz ML350 2014 model, white color. Here you go, the engine, this is engine, the battery is durable. This is the ash leather seats, the dashboard, reverse camera, and system, factory fitted AC, thumb start. Back AC vent right here. That's the back seat view. You can see how clean this car is. It has 2 DVD head player. You can see double panoramic roof. This car is the fullest. 2014 model. It has a reverse camera. Like and share this video. Follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Video Map TV. Now, and it's going for 33 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Mercedes-Benz ML350 2012 model. This is the engine, this is engine, the battery is durable. This is the interior, leather seat interior, the steering, dashboard, back camera, sound system, factory fitted AC, thumb start. Back AC vents, that's the back seat view, very comfortable. It has a double panoramic roof. 2012 model. It has a reverse camera and is going for 32 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is a clean foreign used Toyota Highlander. Here is the engine, 2016. This is engine. The battery is durable. This is the interior, ventilated seat, interior, steering, dashboard, reverse camera, sound system, factory fitted AC, thumb start. Back AC controller. That's the back seat view. AC vent, 3rd row seat, AC vents on the roof. Here is the sunroof. 2016 model. It has a reverse camera and is going for 31.5 million naira, slightly negotiable. This is foreign used Toyota Highlander 2015 model. This is the engine, this is engine. This is the interior, the steering, dashboard, reverse camera, sound system, factory fitted AC, thumb start. Back AC controller right here. That's the back seat view. It has a 3rd row seat, roof DVD player. It has a sunroof. 2015 model. It has a reverse camera and it's going for 29.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is 2014 Lexus RS350. Here is the engine, 2GRF V6 engine. This is the interior, ventilated seat interior, the steering, dashboard, reverse camera, sound system, factory fitted AC, thumb start. Back AC vents. That's the back seat view, very clean, comfortable. It has a sunroof. RS350. It has a reverse camera, 2014 model and is going for 29.5 million naira, slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Mercedes-Benz ML350 2012 model. This is the engine, V6 engine. This is the interior, leather seat interior, dashboard, reverse camera, sound system, factory fitted AC. Back AC vent. Here is the back seat view, very clean. It has a sunroof. 2012 model. It has a reverse camera and is going for 28.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is white Mercedes-Benz E350 Formatic foreign use 2015 model. This is the engine, this is engine. This is the interior, ventilated seat, interior, steering, dashboard, reverse camera, sound system, factory fitted AC, thumb start. Back AC vent right here, the back seat view, very clean. It has a sunroof. 2015 E350 Formatic. It has a reverse camera and is going for 24.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is 2010 Toyota Highlander. Here is the engine, 2GRFE V6 engine. This is the interior fabric seat, interior steering, dashboard, sound system, factory fitted AC, back AC controller, that's the back seat view. It has a third row seat, AC vent on the roof, four-wheel drive. It has a reverse camera. This car is going for 16.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Toyota Camry 2009 model. Let's see the engine of this car. This is the engine, VVTi 16 valve 4 plugs engine. The battery is durable, the catalyst is intact. This is the interior, the clean dashboard, reverse camera, sound system, factory fitted AC, automatic transmission. Here is the back seat view. It has a sealed roof, 2009 model. It has a reverse camera. This car is going for 11.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Name 3 cars you will advise people to buy today and why.
Okay, the 3 cars I'm going to name will be based on fuel economy. It's also going to be based on the cost of maintenance. The first car I would advise for one to get is first and foremost a 2010 Toyota Corolla, due to the fact that it's fuel economical and the parts are very easy to get. The second car I would advise one to get will be a 2010 Lexus RX 350. In as much as it's a V6 engine, it also runs on good fuel economy and the parts also are easy to access.
Okay.
And the third one will be a Benz. It's going to be a 2013 Mercedes-Benz ML 350. Good car, V6 engine. Parts also are easily accessible. If you do your servicing as at when, you won't have any issues with any of these cars.
What will you advise people to watch out for when buying a foreign used car?
The most important thing first is to check the history of the car, see if it has any accident overseas. Also, while going to check the car, it's always advisable you go with a mechanic that has a good scanning device to check if there is any issues with the car. Then also confirm the customs paper before you make a payment for any car. These are the advice that I'll give to anyone who wants to get a car.
Name 1 car you would not advise anyone to buy today and why.
The car that I won't advise anybody to buy will be a Volkswagen Touareg, in the sense that it has electrical issues. If I am given a chance to also mention the second one, it's going to be a 2010 Mercedes-Benz GL 450. High cost of maintenance.
Do you swap cars?
No, I don't do swapping.
Where do you get your cars from?
All my cars are gotten from United States of America.
Do you rent cars?
No, I don't do renting.
Are the prices of your cars negotiable?
Very negotiable.
Do you accept instrumental payments?
Yes, I do accept instrumental payments. 12 to 24 months if the necessary documents are submitted and verified.
What is the price of the cheapest car you have here in your dealership now?
The price of the cheapest car that I have in my dealership will be a 2005 Toyota Corolla, going for 9.8 million.
Why are the prices of foreign used car going up these days?
The reason being because of inflation and also the cost of customs duty. The customs increase duty at will. Let me just put it that way. You know, the duty you might get for this month might not be what you are going to be paying for the next month.
Do you do car delivery services to your buyers?
Yes, that's the state of Nigeria.
Are your cars stolen cars?
No.
Please ensure that everything is working perfectly well before you make any payment. Even if you no wan buy any car, I beg, like and share this video, follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Video Map TV. Now.
My name is Roland. Welcome to Roly's Global Ventures. You can reach me on 090-1996-4974, 090-1996-4974. You can reach us at Euro 65 Park beside Fort Oil Filling Station, immediately after my 2 bus stop, Lagos, Nigeria.